Good morning. This video lecture is for class 7th, subject English, textbook Honeycomb, poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree. This is lecture 1. We are going to complete the entire poem in one lecture only. Let's move towards the content of this video lecture. The contents that will be covered in this video lecture. First, I'll give you an introduction of the poem. What is the poem all about? The dad and the cat and the tree. I think with the name you can just understand there's a dad, a cat and a tree, of course. Yes, moving to the next slide, I will be explaining you stanza 1, 2 and 3 and then followed by stanza 4, 5 and 6. Then followed by stanza 7, 8, 9, followed by stanza 10, 11, 12 and 13. Then I've given you the summary of the poem, what is the poem all about and what is the poet trying to convey us. Then I have the keywords and their meaning. There are a bit less keywords as it's a poem, and of course followed by a homework. It's mandatory for everyone to do the homework. Let's quickly get into the poem and start with the introduction. Introduction. As I have told you, the title of the poem is saying us the dad and the cat and the tree. So with title, I can help you in guessing what is the poem all about. Have you ever seen a cat climbing a tree? I have seen it many times. Did you see it? Sometimes a cat may climb too high and get stuck in the tree. Many times I have seen the cats are stuck on the tree. The poor thing can't come down without help. Who's the poor thing here? The cat. She can't come down without help. How would you help it? We feel so helpless that, a cat is stuck in the tree and we really want to go and help. So how are you going to help her? Surely not like dad in the poem. So here the dad in the poem is so much puzzled up. He wants to help the cat who has got stuck in the tree, but he is not a good climber. Is dad a good climber? What were his plans? So the poem is all about his plans and how he's going to rescue a cat who has got stuck in the tree. The poem is really very interesting, okay? It is very hilarious also. Hilarious means it's very funny also. So let's quickly start. Dad and the Cat and the Tree. I love the title of the poem, Dad and the Cat and the Tree. It's so interesting, isn't it? Moving to the first stanza. This morning, a cat got stuck in a tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. So there was a morning and the cat got stuck in a tree. Dad said, oh wait, leave it to me, I'll handle this. The narrator discusses that one morning a cat got stuck in the tree. His father told him that he will manage to drive away the cat. Next stanza. The tree was wobbly. The tree was tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. Basically, mamas are very frightened, when dads climb the tree or they climb anywhere. They say, please be careful. Otherwise, if you'll fall down, you'll get hurt. We have to do everything. Yes, all the household chores. So, the meaning, since the tree was unstable. Unstable means it was moving. Trees are very shaky. So that's the meaning of wobbly also. Wobbly means unstable. The narrator's mother was full of doubts as to how easy would it be for her husband to climb the tree. Therefore, she warned him that he might fall. Third stanza. Fall, scoffed Dad. A climber like me? Child's play. This is you. Wait and see. So now when the mom challenged him that, oh, mom, for goodness, please don't fall down. And what is Dad saying here? Fall, scoffed Dad. A climber like me means such a trained climber like me can fall down. It's a children play. Okay, just wait and see. Listening to his wife's warnings, The narrator's father was quite surprised. He dismissed away these warnings by saying that he was a good climber and climbing the tree was as easy as a child's play. So the word scoffed means here surprised. Okay, moving to the next slide. Stanza 4. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So the wife was warning him that please kindly don't fall down. And he said, oh, what are you talking? It's a children's play to climb up the tree. And what happened? He got out the ladder from the garden shed. He got a ladder from the garden shed. It slipped and he landed in the flower bed. The explanation of this stanza. The narrator's father brings out a ladder from the garden shed, but it slipped and the father fell on the ground. Moving next. Never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. He said, okay, it's never mind, it happens, you know. The narrator's father brushes off the dirt from his hair and clothes, cleans his face and begins to think about another plan to drive away the cat. Next stanza. We will try plan B. Stand out of the way. Mum said, don't fall again, okay? The narrator's father decides to try plan B. His wife, however, again warns him that he might fall again. Okay, moving to the next stanza. Fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. So again he fell down. So mom is right? The narrator's father muses away his wife's warning. Still laughing, he swung himself on the branch, but the branch broke and he again fell on the ground. Okay, muses means he takes the warning of the wife very funny. Oh, what are you talking? How can I fall again? Next stanza. Dad landed well up, back on the deck. Mum said, stop it, you will break your neck. The narrator's father again fell on the ground. The narrator's mother begged him to stop as he might break his neck from falling again and again. Moving to the next stanza. Rubbish, said Dad. Now we'll try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me. The narrator's father then decided to try plan C. He was still confident that being a great climber, he would succeed. Moving to the next stanza. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He did not fall. So finally, the narrator's father climbed up the high garden wall and this time he did not fall. Good news, right? He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. The father, with a great leap is a great jump, finally landed on the tree top, right on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as sponge to be safe and sound. The moment the father landed on the cat screamed with fear and sprang to the ground. Landing smoothly on the ground, it seemed content with itself. Last stanza. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad still stuck up the tree. So now while helping the cat, he himself got stuck on the tree. The narrator describes that having safely landed on the ground, the cat was smiling arrogantly while his father got stuck on the tree. So isn't the poem interesting? Yes, it's very interesting. So see how he had all the plans ready. Plan A, if not plan A, then plan B. If not plan B, then plan C. And finally plan C was succeed. Yes, next. So summary of the poem. One morning, a cat got stuck in the tree. The narrator's dad decided that he will easily be able to take care of it. Narrator's father decided to climb the tree. His wife warned him that he might fall, but ignoring her warnings, he climbed the ladder, slipped and fell. Next. Having fallen once, he thought of trying again, another way yet again, ignoring his wife's warnings. He swung himself up on a branch. The branch broke and again he fell. Not giving up, still the father climbed up the garden wall. Luckily, this time he did not fall. However, the moment he sprang onto the tree, the cat jumped to the ground, safe and sound. Poor father, on the other hand, got stuck in the tree. So that's the summary. Keywords and the meanings: wobbly, unsteady. That is not fixed at a place, that is unsteady. For goodness sake, an exclamation expressing protest. Oh, please, type of. Scoffed, laughed mockingly. Child's play, very easy to do. Landed, wallop, fell heavily. Pleased as sponge, very pleased. Safe and sound, unhurt. Okay, moving next. Yeah, homework, very important. Everybody has to do. There are set of question answers which are from your textbook only, working with text question answers. Yes, first one, why was dad sure he would not fall? Next question, which phrase in the poem expresses dad's self-confidence best? Question number 3, describe plan A and its consequences. Question number 4, plan C was a success. What went wrong then? Question number 5, the cat was very happy to be on the ground. Pick out the phrase used to express this idea. Question number 6, describe the cat and dog situation in the beginning and at the end of the poem. Moving next. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. I hope you all enjoyed the poem and we'll be meeting in the online class. Please do the homework. Thank you.